Good morning and welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Rafa from specdigitals.com, and in this tutorial I'll be guiding you step by step on how you can create professional, beautiful e-commerce websites. And the beauty thing about the website is that you're not even going to use a premium resources. All we're going to use are completely free. So without wasting our time, let's dive into it. If you can see, this is 2022 theme. This is dashboard. This is a brand new website. So let's dive into it. In case you've not created or you don't know how to buy a domain or a domain name or web hosting, I'll drop a description link below where I was able to put you through step by step on how you can actually do that. All right, let's get started. We'll be needing few things. We'll be needing a theme and few plugins to achieve our goal. In case you don't know what plugin and theme is, theme basically mean your website itself. Why plugin helps to extend the functionality of your website. For instance, if you look at this, this is a team that is controlling this website right here. This is 2022 team. If we install another team, the look of this website will change. And I'll show you that in a jiffy. So let's install a team right now. To achieve that, hover over appearance, click on themes. In this tutorial, I'll be using Astra theme. So let's search for Astra, click on add new. Okay, it's already here. So we're going to install. This is the plugin, the theme we're going to install. So click on install. In case it's not located, you can just type in what you are looking for at the search bar here and you're able to access it. So let's activate it. Remember I said we'll be needing a theme and few plugin. So we're going to install few plugin now. Click on hover over plugin, click on add new. So we're going to search for WooCommerce. Remember we're building an e-commerce website. We're going to search for WooCommerce. Okay. You have the search bar, type in WooCommerce. This is the plugin. Click on install now. We'll also be needing, in case you need any other plugin that you want to install, just type the name of the plugin here and install it. So the next thing we need to do, let's run this wizard. So click on get started. In some cases, it may not appear. So if it did not appear, you have to type in starter template here. Search for starter template here to appear. For instance, let me just show you. Type in starter template. This is it. You can actually click on install now and you install it in case this wizard didn't appear. So we're going to use this wizard. Click on get started. Scroll down. Click on build your website now. Click on build your website now once it's finished loading. We are using Elementor. Elementor is a page builder. That's what we're going to use. So let's search for template that we're going to use. You can see any of this with yellow highlighted color are premium. They are paid. You have to pay if you want to make use of them. But we're going to use, as I said earlier, we're going to use free resources, completely free. Okay, let's search for. Let me see. Okay, let's make use of this. Okay, this is this organic store. So click on this. Don't bother about logo, we'll do that later. So let's click on skip and continue. Don't bother about these colors. Click on continue. Click on continue. Agree to your terms and condition. If you want to be receiving newsletter, you can accept this. Okay. So click on submit and build my website. Let's wait while it finalizes the. All right, we are done importing our website. So let's view our website now. Let's right click and view it on a new browser, on a new page. Perfect. This is exactly how our website looks like now. Scroll down, you can see this are already made template that came, product that came with the template that we just imported. Okay, so if you remember, this was how the website looks like. So if I should refresh this now, you notice the look will change. That is the work of a theme and few plugins that we just installed. You can see this is how the website looks like now. So what we need now is to start editing the website. We start removing all these things and start putting our product. To achieve that, hover over this, click on dashboard, hover over all pages. Let's clean up some of the pages that we don't need. Let's remove them. Because once you install WooCommerce, WooCommerce will automatically install all these things for you. Cards, checkouts, all these things will be installed for you by WooCommerce. Okay, this is the beauty of WooCommerce. So let's remove the ones that we don't need. We don't need the sample page. So click on trash. Right, I think this is what we don't need for now. So we need one other plugin. I forgot to install it earlier. So to achieve that, hover over plugins, click on add new, and we're going to search for essential add-on. Going to search for essential add-on. This is it. Click on install now. Click on activate. Okay, we need to run the wizard. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Next. Don't worry, no thanks. You can actually accept, but just to. Okay, we are done. We need to do some settings. We need to enable some of the features that we're going to use that are not premium. Okay, we're going down, way down to WooCommerce. All right, we're going to need this. It's not premium. We're going to need this. This one is premium, as we cannot use it. This one is also premium. Can use this one, this product grid. These two, Wook product collection and the slider, we cannot use them because they are premium. Okay, can use this. can use these ones. Okay, just go through it and see anyone that will work with what you actually want to. But in this particular e-commerce website we're going to build, these are the things we're going to use. So once you are done selecting the listing, click on Save Changes. All right, the next thing we need to do is to set up our WooCommerce. Okay, it's time to run our. So we're going to enter our address and few things that will be required to set up our e-commerce website. Okay, so let's get started. Let's enter our address. Okay, let me choose this default address. So scroll down, select your region. This is Nigeria. Okay. We decide to leave this, but I'm not leaving it. I will check it. Click on continue. No thanks. You select all the things you'll be selling on your website. So in this case, let me just select a few of them. Okay, click on continue. If you are selling downloadable products, you can actually select this. But in our case, let's continue. I'm not going to set downloadable products. How many products do you want to display? Just pick, in this case, let me just say 11 to 11, 11 to 100. Are you selling elsewhere? No. Click on continue. Uncheck this, I don't need it. Click on continue. You can read them before you uncheck any of them that you want to leave. You can actually leave them. Okay. So we're going to continue with our, remember we installed abstract theme earlier. So we're going to continue with our theme. Click on continue. All right, we have successfully completed our WooCommerce setup. Okay. So the next thing is to start um, beautifying our website, adding few products. I'm going to show how to add few products. Okay, so we're done. So let's go to all pages, hover over pages, click on all pages. Okay, so let's go to home. This is home. In your own case, if home or the pages are not created for you, can actually create that by clicking on this add new. Let me just show you add new. I'm sure how to create a page. Okay, give your page a name. Let me just call this place. Yeah, just call it market. I'm not going to use it, I just want to show how to create a page. Then click on publish. Click on publish again. So we're going to home page. Click on edit with Elementor. Remember Elementor is the page builder that we installed earlier when we were running a wizard for starter template. Okay, once the page opens up like this, you're going to see, remember this is what we have here. So we're going to remove all these things. We don't need them. Okay, going to remove all of them. Remove all these things. Okay, any of them we don't need. Going to remove them. Going to trash everything. I don't need them. Let me just leave this one. But you can actually trash them if you don't need them. Okay, just click on this X sign and you'll trash them. All these things I don't need them. Okay, I don't need this either. Okay, let's start adding our own design. To achieve that, click on this plus sign, click on this, then pick a full column, click on this plus sign. Here I'm going to look for grid. Okay, remember we installed essential add-on. That's what we're going to use to design this website. So I'm going to look for grid. Just type in grid or product grid, any of them I can actually type. Looks work fine. Look at it. Then you're going to pick it and drop it here. As this is how it looks like. I'm going to use a grid, open, sorry, select grid. Just play around it. I don't want this tutorial to be too long. Play around, you see different features they have free. So I'm going to make this thing 5. 5 is okay for me. You can see it's 4 now, even when I selected 5. So to achieve the 5 number of this thing that I actually selected, click on this product setting. We are going to make this thing 10 instead of 4. Make it 10. You can see the remaining ones have been added. All right. Once you are done editing, while you are editing, just ensure that you keep on updating your to save the changes. Okay. Here you can actually select the product I want. Here you can enable or disable the things you like. This rating. Let me disable the rating. Okay. You can change the size of your image. The size of the image. You can make it thumbnail. You can see this will be smaller now. You can see it's smaller now compared to height where earlier. You can see. So just play around this and you see how they actually work. So let's continue. So the next thing I need to put here to at least to make the home page more beautiful is a slide. Let's look for carousel. Let's pick this very one. Who product carousel. Pick it and drop it here. Ensure that this thing highlight the blue this thing highlights shows before you can drop it. Else you are dropping it in the wrong place. Okay. We are going to use this carousel. Okay, just play around it and set whatever you want to set. Can make the image clickable. If I enable this, people can actually click on this image. Okay, you can set query, the number of product count, and make it like 10 or 8. Okay, now let's see what we can. Let's change the button of this. To achieve that, click on product layout. Okay, color and topography. Remember, this is the rating, this is the color here. Remember, here we'll disable it. So I'm not going to use that. The price, this is the price. Can change the topography. Let me use Roboto. Okay. Let's change this font size. You can see the font size has been changed, has been reduced. So basically, these are the things you can actually achieve here. I don't want this tutorial to be that long. So this is how you can change it. So let's change the button. Scroll down, click on button. The color is white. You can select anything. And the background color, let's change the background color to something different. Let's select, let me use my favorite color. FF4500. Okay. That's what I'm going to use. Then the hover. We're actually working on this very well. You can see this just turned to yellow here. That's the color of FF450 that I entered earlier. So let's do this thing so that you can see it clearly. Let me change back to this. Okay. Add to cart button. You can see the background is black, so I'm going to change it to the FF4500. That's it. That's the color I want to use. If you notice, this is the hover color is black. We're going to change this. Click on hover. Change it to, I'm going to use, I'm going to use FF6700. That's the color I'm going to use. And the color, I want to make the color black. Okay. Click on update. Now, if we go back to our website, all this thing won't be there again. All we're going to see is the newly customization that we're giving to our website. Let's refresh and see. This was the carousel that we added earlier. You can see this is the hover. When you hover, it turns black. So basically, this is how you can actually create a beautiful e-commerce website. Okay, so let's go back. Any of them that you want to just the same thing I've just done. That's how you're going to add them. You can see this is badge and all those things. They are self-explanatory. The main work has been taken care of. That is this one I've just given you. So let's go back to our home page and do one or two things. Let me show you how you can actually add products. Let's go back. So I'll be adding just one product. It's the same way that you're going to add all the products you want to add to your site. So to add products, just go over products under WooCommerce, click on add new. To create products, let me call this very one gown. Okay, click gown. Let's go down and pick. Let's set a product image. Click on set product image. So let's pick this particular product here. Here, put it here. I click on set product image. Okay, let's give it a price. Let's say 15,000. That is the selling price, the regular price. So I'm selling for 14,500. This is a simple product. You can see we have different variable. I don't want to prolong this tutorial. So we're going to select simple product. There's variable product. That is in the next tutorial. Okay. So once you are done, this is where you write this description. This is a place for short description, and this is a place for longer description. Once you are done, you click on publish. Okay, last thing that I would like us to do is the last thing I'd like us to do is to go to settings, click on settings, go over settings, click on permalink. You can see this thing is on day and night. If you look at, let me show you. If you look at this, you see instead of the name, you can see spell ABC spelldigital.com 2022. All those things they are not good to for Google any search engine at all. So you need to change it back to post name. Okay, then click on save changes. The last thing that is very important is this reading. Click on reading. Select the home page in case your own page is not default selected on home page. This is where you can select the page that is your home page. Okay, it's very important. Then finally, click on general. Then what your website is all about. Just going to type AB, ABC. That is the name of the website. Let me just type Spread Digital. Okay. Okay. What your website is all about. Let me just type in e-commerce. Okay. Then scroll down. This is very important. Allow without these people can't be they won't be able to register on your website. Click on anyone can register. Okay. Then click on save changes. Now if we go back to our website, hover over this, let's view our store. Let's also view our website. Please, if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, I would highly recommend you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload video, you'll be notified early enough. I upload quality videos. Thank you and God bless you for doing that. Remember, this is the product I created earlier that I just added now. Boom. This is it. This is the website. You can see this is the product I just added now. So basically, this is how you can create an e-commerce website. Okay, this is the shop. This is how you can create an e-commerce website. So thank you for watching and God bless you.